Welcome to Voxme Inventory. In this video we will show you how to share an inventory in PDF format online. Here's what you need to do. Step number 1. Get on the Sign and Send page and get the client to sign. Step number 2. Tap on the Pack and List icon. Tap on the Share icon on the top right corner. You have two ways to share the inventory online, via WhatsApp from the iPhone and via email. First option is via WhatsApp. Create customer contact first, then on WhatsApp select the customer contact and tap on Send. Another option is via email. Tap on the email icon, enter client's email and tap on Send. At this point, the customer can enjoy your neat inventory and you can move on.